The smell of the campfire, the view of the stars, and the amazing weather are the few reasons why many UAE residents are getting out of the city on the weekends to go camping. Camping can be a lot of fun, especially amidst desert and isolated beaches. The Expo 2020 Lake is one of the best places for campers to fulfill their desire. The beauty of this spot is sure to leave you mesmerized and lost in an array of imagination. This lake is located at about 12 kilometers from the last exit and Al Qudra Lake's rest area. The highlights of the drive to the lake is that there is an Arabian Oryx observatory from where the lake can be seen at a distance. This man-made wonder was created in the midst of the desert. The Lake of Expo is made using water source, trees and sand to resemble the Expo 2020 logo. The Dubai municipality claims the ownership of this man-made lake. It is real fun to walk around the lake as there is a platform through the lake where you can walk and reach other side by wetting your feet. There is also a bridge on both sides with stone paved on the way, and the path is thrilling to walk through. The best time to go camping is during the winter season, that is from October to April. There are dedicated parking areas to securely park the vehicle, and camping is done near to the lake, slightly away from the parking at a walkable distance. Washrooms are also available and they are neat and clean. There are few camping essentials you must consider, especially when you are arriving in the dark hours to your camping location. Most of the desert campsites would not be having ample lighting, hence a torch light other than your mobile watch light should be carried always. If you are planning for a barbecue or cooking, consider getting a portable stove and a barbecue setup with coal. And most importantly, you should carry a tent setup and sleeping bag for settling down for the night. It was breathtaking to see the sunrise from the tent. As the darkness goes away, we noticed many different colors in the sky. It was so soothing. It was our first overnight camping. We really enjoyed and it was a great experience. This is one of the best activities you can enjoy during winters. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, then do like, share and subscribe to our channel Explore City.